What's up guys, it's me again, Kaimo, and today we're gonna be unboxing a Goja Recollection deck from Grand Archive. I'm actually starting this week. I chose Goja kasi I really like her design. She's really cute and yeah, I wanna give her a whirl, on maybe this week's tournaments. In a Recollection deck, you're gonna get of course the box, a pre-constructed deck with 60 cards, and 12 cards for your material deck, a set of 100 pieces of Dragon Shield art sleeve, which is what I'm really excited for, a set of cards completing the playsets of the pre-constructed deck, a damage counter, art dividers, and of course, 3 Abyssal Heaven first edition booster pack. So, hopefully, makakuha tayo ng mga swerteng packs doon. Okay, so let's go. I've seen some unboxing of this box, and it's really gorgeous. Shout out to my friend Cholo Tolentino. I watch his videos by the way, and mas nabudol ako dahil sa mga videos niya. So, ayun. There's actual foiling around the product. Like, yan, nakikita niyo yung light nagre-reflect. So, this is really cool. And the feel of it is just so premium. Okay, yung magnet, nag-snap na. And, oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. Goja in all her glory. Yeah, and of course, ito na yun. Of course, the goods. So this is the Grand Archive Goja Recollection deck centered around Goja, Heaven's Favored. So let's just open that up. I'm pretty sure they're still sealed. I'm gonna be opening this one siguro after na lang. It also comes with some deck dividers and of course the life counter or damage counters, and this wheel over here down here. Yeah, so of course this is the Grand Archive collaboration with Dragon Shield. So ito, if you open it up, we're gonna see Goja art sleeves. That's really cool. These are from the set Abyssal Heaven. So hopefully we get some good ones. So guys, sana swerte tayo. Here we have the Goja Chosen Disciple, Maiden of Shimmering Air, Fleetfoot Billy, Explosive Concoction, Courtside Beast Keeper, Primeval Ritual, Evanescent Winds, and an SR. Let's go! Shattering Discharge. Okay. Nightshade. Oh, this looks nice. Rotund Squirrel, Blazing Bowman, Pink Deep, Pelagic Stone. Oh, SR? Baka siya nabiligaw dito, but okay. Naligaw siya sa gitna ng pack. Beguiling Bandit, Waterlogged Ranger, and Delusion Vapors. What? That's crazy. I'm not sure if that's supposed to happen. I don't know why bigla siyang nasa gitna ng pack. Oh well, thank you. So nice. Licoria, I think is the token. Break Apart, Disciple of the Waves, Whirlwind Reaper. Okay, a Blazing Bowman in foil. Let's go. Blitz Charger, Provoking Stand. And feeling ko pag foil siguro R na lang yung nasa uli. And a Wrathful Slime. Okay, ayun siya. Alright. So that's it. That's our hits. And I think there's nothing more. Ayan, wala nang inside. And that's everything. But I'm really happy with my purchase. No? And shout out pala to Gamershop. Sa kanila ko nakuha yung box. So thank you so much, Gamershop. Thank you guys, and see you on the next video. Bye.